This is SAMPRO, a sample production plant. It does exactly what it should in smooth and efficient production runs, and that is a good thing. But wait, is there something wrong? That will be a problem. Maximum uptime is crucial, especially in networked plants. A single drive failure can cause the entire plant to shut down. The time needed for associated repairs causes significant costs. To prevent this, SAMPRO uses IOLink sensors for vibration monitoring. These sensors can be adjusted for various purposes, which reduces the total number of sensor variants required. In addition, application-specific information can be stored in IOLink tags. Continuous monitoring of values such as vibration velocity, acceleration, and temperature registers anomalies at an early stage, leading to maximized plant uptime. The sensor features an integrated maintenance manager that can be configured by the control system. This facilitates plant maintenance, and maintenance notifications are generated based on the plant load. Operating hours or events with a specified vibration severity can be used as triggers in this context. The combination of IOLink with an analog output rated 4 to 20 mA marks the beginning of the Industry 4.0 era. Existing analog plants can be operated as before, while IOLink provides smart data for condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. The HE050 IOLink sensor is suitable for use across various industries and fields of application as it offers easy access to the world of digitization. Hauber, simple, safe monitoring.